Hey guys, welcome back after 5 hours. Second stream of today. Yes. That's what I made. Coffee tracking for coffee beans. And devote your if I hover over, it shows like that. An enthusiast or devotee. Doesn't look cool, right? We're gonna make it look cool. We're gonna make it. We gotta make it. Next.js with TypeScript. Next.js with TypeScript. Type it out. The script that you type is called TypeScript. Yeah. Yes. Yup. My mic was off. I'm a muppet. I'm so muppet. I got something in my hand. It was so connected. So many things I had to do. So many things I have to. Again? God dang it. まあちょっと待ってね。どうだよ。Okay. So. Why does it hurt? Why does it hurt? Why does it? So, let's go. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, let's make it 2. I want 1 here too. And you go there. chok na ching lang ling tang components yeah, not this one. Sorry. Yeah, what the heck? Okay. Firebase, fire, model of that, you there, and you. Yeah. Okay. Straight off to. Okay. Class name. Text gradient. Yeah, see that? And yeah, here too. It's class name, not class. Okay. We were getting that thing over here in the console, which should be gone by now. Yeah, because if I have a class, yeah, that's gone. Let's go. Let's move on to the next component, which is coffee form, which is going to be here. Let's work on this. I'm gonna zoom it a little so I can. I cannot. I'm gonna zoom it out. Yeah. Do you see? Yeah. No. No models yet. Yeah, okay. Div, god dang it. Okay, and class name as going to be section header. Okay, and solid pencil. Awesome font. We need a pencil icon. What that is? Pencil, not penis. Square, pen to square. Yeah, I think this is fine. Fine. What about this one? I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay. Cheat. I am. Yeah. We see something. Nash to tag with start tracking today by hi. Start tracking today. Coffee types. I have asked for select coffee types. Coffee type. Yeah, it looks weird. I think not. There's another window here too, so cannot see anything. Can't hang it. So you're gonna do something. What you ask? Something. That's going to be our coffee grid. So I don't click on button that. Okay. Alright. Utils function. Utils. Yeah. All this we have here. So that's what we're gonna do. First, let's give it a class name, which is coffee grid. Yeah, this one it is. And then you're gonna write a map function. Coffee options. This array. We're gonna map over it. We're gonna run a map function. Hi. Everything inside that and coffee options, and we're gonna slice it because we got only the first 5 values from zeros to not including the 5th one, and I'm gonna run a map function over those 5. Yeah. Wait a minute. Okay, so option and then option index indection button. We are gonna generate a button. Okay, so now we have 5 buttons. 1 2 3 4 5. We generated 5 buttons. So 1 2 3 4 5. 0 1 2 3 4. Not the first one. Okay. Latte. Latte. Oh, sorry. We're gonna give it some, you know what, okay, let's have some thing inside this button. We're gonna have, okay, that's then the option and then name. That's the data we want to display. So now we have the copy type needs, and one more thing that we want is caffeine levels. So that is going to be option caffeine, high caffeine, and we can add a little milligram. That's milligram 126. Sodiumia. Let's give it some classes. What the hell? What the heck? First one is button card. Okay, looks like that. Okay, I don't know what was that, but yeah, and yeah, we are generating a button, so for every button we need to have, we have to have a key, a unique key. Yeah, that is option, right? Option, yeah, index. Now we don't see that. The warning on the console. So. Okay, we're gonna make a layout first. Then we do the other things. Yeah, from there to here. Then one more button card, other. We want one more button. It's outside the map function. Map, yeah, whatever that is. Yeah, and like this one. Other and a p tag and a nothing. No for this, and class name of course, which is button card. button card. Hi. Hi. It looks same, but it's gonna do some more things than the rest of them. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna make a layout first. The functionalities and all that. What it's gonna do by clicking like a specific button, it's gonna do something. So we're gonna add that functionality later. We'll just make a layout first. Yeah, uze coffee types. Hi. If coffee types, show coffee types. Oh, sorry. Okay, we're gonna show button. Not show. Select. What is this property? Dang it. Reactor. Yeah. Coffee list. I cannot see that. Yeah. So we can select all the options, which are going to be like, we are only displaying the 5 coffee types, and for other types we're gonna make this drop down menu, or select menu, so you can select the coffee types of your liking. So for that, what we do something. What we do is sorry cafe latte, cafe ristu, options, option. Okay, sorry. Option value. No. Let's leave it this. Or not, like select oh bitch. Select type. What's your type? Like, do you like tall, short, thick, like that? Yeah, no. Why? I don't know. And then we're gonna write we're gonna do something like this. Coffee options. Coffee options. This coffee options. This array that we have. What we're gonna do is run a map. Map lala. Sorry. Map function return. It's gonna take an option and option index, and then it's gonna generate all the options. Option. What? Oh, I gonna have to. Oh, not really. Okay. Yeah, we have that. So it's gonna generate, and I'm gonna, gonna make this thing for all this data that we have inside this array. Option. So what we want is option name double espresso. Oh yeah, we can already select things. Also option inside these option what was it? Option caffeine. Yeah, caffeine. Option caffeine. Like that, a little mg2 be good. Height looks fine. Make it a little big. Normal size. Normally it looks like that. Hi. Hi. Just like that. Now what else? What there? I'm gonna make it short. Like just that big. That big is enough. Yo, big. Yeah, that made it so small. Small, good. Small is good. Value. In invalid DOM class, did you mean class name? Or what is it? Did I mean? Yeah, class name. Okay, each child in a list should have a key prop. Yo, so kayo. That's a key and option index How about now? Fine. High. 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 I. Yeah, one thing I don't understand. Value option name. What do we need to give that? Value is null for that one. Though on change. Okay. Let's just give it, you know. Yeah. Oh, what the heck? Value as option name. So, hi. That's it. The drop down works. So, yeah, fine. Add the cost. Rendering, conditional rendering. We're gonna do that later. Add the cost here in dollars. Dollars. Dollar. Add the cost and input field. We want type is number. It's a number type, and we get class names here. It has only one class, which is W for like that. If you remove that, it's nothing. Not nothing. It's a W full. Yeah. Not yet. Yeah, we can give a placeholder. Make $2.50. $2.50. $2.50 is fine. Dollar, yeah, it looks a bit stale. Without the dollar sign, yeah, $2.50. Type number. It works. Yeah, I know it's badly visible. I'm gonna zoom it a little. Oh, it's going in -2. Yeah. On change. Save without target. Not yet. Value. Coffee cost. Hi. Back to grind. Yeah, back to grind. Hi. Time since consume. Not yet. It's gonna take a little time for the results. Value is coffee cost. Value is coffee cost. I see. What about you? Did you give any exam? Not actually. Oh no, I mean, was the test good? Yeah, it was fantastic. Almost fainted. It was that awesome. Physics pre-board was poor. I think you're in school. Dang. Time since consumption. I'm gonna have to make it small because I cannot see. Cool, bro. Good luck with your physics thing. I always wanted to get good at physics. You know, in tests, when there were tests, I always wanted to get some good numbers just to prove to that physics teacher, but never got good. Not average ones, you know. Not like full numbers. By the way, does learn Japanese while sleep works? Headaches works. I've tried that. Learn while sleeping. All I got was some headaches. Nothing else. Hours. Hours. It does not work. I can delete. Would you even try that? Yeah, I've tried it, so yeah, not so weird. Yeah, it doesn't work. ID Surek the bitch. Sorry. Yatsa. I was thinking I will wake up with some Japanese and brain. See, I got chemistry exam. Yeah, wait. All I got from the sleeping Japanese while sleeping was a cranky mood and a pain in my head. That's it. That's what you get. Actually, we can, we're gonna add it over here. Export. Oh, sorry. Shit. How about here? Export const hours horses. Hours. color code will look a little cleaner. That's why I did that. So hours, horses, that, and we're gonna run a map. That's a map page, map page, and then our and our index return some Add-ons. Why does it not work? It's that. So Add-on kryptonite. Add-on, we see something. We see some kryptonite. Crepo. You're gonna generate some. Gonna have the unique keys for. Yeah. Root जाएगा नहीं ये तो. Yeah, that's our. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, and that's 23, 0, 23, 21, no 69, fine. Def minute. Yeah. Dione. What the hell is that? Zione. One more div, and this time I should take 6 tags. Six tag minutes select yeah don't need you. Go to your home. You're not needed. ID is mint select sorry. So we're gonna have an array. You know what, I don't really need that, but the code will look a little mince, a little clean, so that's why 5 to 5, 10, 15, now 30, 45. It's having that, so it's gonna have that. Yeah, meansちょっと待ってください。OK、なんじゃこれ。That's min and then min index return. We are returning options. Select options. It never works. Shucks. Okay, sorry. Min. Oh, I made a mistake over here. No, you know. Go, you go. यार इसके अलग ही नाटक है भाई. Index bitch. Why is there no means what's the problem? Why the screen went blank and black? Why? I think I need some value else doesn't make anything. Okay. Is it back? Yeah. It's back. I see. What's the problem here? I'm gonna type out everything again. Okay, it's back. Yeah. Means it's in the utils map. Yeah, of course, that's array. Yeah. Map. Sorry, no map. Men index. Okay. So far, so good. Should return. Okay, no problem. Yet nothing. Not the select option. BBC News. Please. Oh yeah, I got the blank ones. Then we're gonna have your min bits and pieces. Bits belonging. Key, of course. Otherwise my girlfriend will get upset. Yeah. For the moment, this is my girlfriend. Why are we adding this? I really don't understand. What's the purpose of this? I'm gonna do some ChatGPT. Punching long, punching down. 반갑습니다. 반갑습니다. A new chart. Chat도 in React standard HTML attribute option defines what value is actually submitted or stored when that option is selected, while the content between the tags is what the user sees. Wow, while the content between the tags is what the user sees. Value is controls the selected value. When this option is selected in select, and the value reported to React via onChange will be selecting this option log. Why value can I get it? Controls the selected value. When this option is selected in a select, okay, the value reported to React via onChange will be min. OnChange, it's going to be min. Value onChange target to separate display from inside the tag. Inside the tag is the label shown to the user. Inside the tag is the label shown to the user, and value squiggly brackets and then min. Inside it is the actual data your app works with. Oh, so that's for the display, and the value is the actual data your apps works with. They happen to be the same here, but they do not have to be required to control components. React select is often controlled. React compares selected min with each option's value to decide which option is selected. Without value, React falls back to the text content, which is unreliable and not recommended. User sees 5 minutes and the app receives 5. What happens if you remove value? Browser uses the text min as the value implicit. Works sometimes, but breaks consistency cause bugs with numbers versus strings not recommended in React. What the user sees, and value what React stores and uses. That's why we are using that. Okay, that's that. We have value over here too, and then this is the thing that the React is gonna work with. Just these or whatever, terms and conditions applied. A little more ちょっとあんたちょっとone more button we need. It's gonna have a p tag and entry. I'm gonna tell you what it's gonna do, but for a moment, yeah, and then I'll click handle submit. Not yet. Okay, let's do some use states. We have all these buttons, so yeah. Const first, the thing that we are going to deal with is selected. What's okay? Coffee grid, and then button. All the coffees that we have. Select type. Coffee types, and then this is the coffee. These are coffee types. Oh, sorry. Selected the coffee. Selected coffee and set selected coffee. Yeah. State and null. Currently we have no coffee selected, so no. Okay, let's work with it first. Chotto, anta chotto, sorry. Slice. Set selected coffee. On click event. Sorry. Where was it? This is the one, right? Yeah, coffee options, and yeah. I'll tell you what it's gonna do. First, let me type it out. On click event handler. Is it an event handler? Yeah, I guess so. Set selected coffee to option name. Make it no. Okay, so wow, everything is round. Console.log. Selected coffee. Latte, double espresso. Latte, espresso, double espresso, americano, cappuccino, cappuccino. Latte. You see the number here. Others, that's a no. Oh, this is a different one. It's not inside this thing here. That's why. Cappuccino, espresso. Okay. one, no. You want double espresso? Yeah. First is null. Your double espresso, 2 quadruple, and then 1 more. So 5 espressos. Okay. Yeah, actually I can do it like that. It's fine. Yeah, that looks okay. Set coffee, selected coffee becomes this. Okay, but we need to show the borders. You know, it's already doing that, but we have to do that 2 or 3 times just to make the borders of this button glue. Yeah, look at that, they're glowing. That's something. And that's for CSS. And let's add some classes, dynamic classes. So option, okay, we're gonna write some logic. If option name is equal to selected copy, selected copy, that means if that's true, then what we are going to do is do this. See that? That's coffee. We're gonna add this class, coffee button selected batch. How'd you like that? It's not over yet. An empty one. So now it's the border. It's there on the first click. Let's outside of this map function, so that's why it's, and yeah, it has its own classes. This other button, so only see that we are only working on these 5 buttons: espresso, double espresso, americano, and cappuccino and latte. Latte we want 12 volt, 24. What else we want? Sorry. Actually, we're gonna write one more state for the selected coffee types. Show not selected. Maybe. Mama, show coffee latte, coffee types, and then set show coffee types. Konnichiwa. Why do I remember that song? False. Show false. Okay, false. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's automatically over there, so it's fine. It's not looking at that. No, not bro. You are good in coding and service also. Service? I'm not good at coding. I'm learning, still learning. Japanese also. No, not really. I'm just learning stuff. Still, there are things that I don't fully understand. Yeah, I'm just trying. Konnichiwa, sayonara. Here I have some other person's code written, and I'm just trying to understand it, and then yeah, do the thing step by step as of my understanding, what I understand. So I'm just trying to implement it. Yeah, that's not called implementing. Yeah, whatever, I'm just doing thing. Just that coffee type set. I'm not sure what it's gonna do. That's already false. Yeah, cancel that. So konnichiwa, sayonara, konnichiwa, ate kudasai. How can I learn Japanese? Like, I mean, minimum end in 2 years. Learn 20 words every day, and when you have 6,000 or 7,000 vocab memorized, take the enter exam. Hi. Every day, memorize vocab and try to repeat it. Repeat in the sense, revise it, whatever you have learned. Just learn vocab. Learning a language is very simple. I wish it was that simple. This coding thing was that simple. But you actually have to use your brain in this. Language, anybody can learn a language. You don't actually have to do much. Just memorize the vocab and that's it. What the hell was I doing? I got lost. Okay, I don't know what language was that. That language. Okay. Okay. Yeah, on button click. Okay. We're gonna work with this other button now. Where is it? Okay, I'm pointing there, but it's here. The other one. Other one? Yeah. Are you? The other one. It looks like it. Yeah, you are. Okay, we're gonna add a on-click event handler. I hope that I'm clear with my terms. Cafe latte. Okay, so what it's gonna do is it's gonna set the show coffee types. Like initially it's false, but if we click on this button, it's gonna set show coffee types, which means this. Okay, show coffee types. Okay, true. It's gonna set it to true and set selected coffee. The hardest part, it was waking up every day and doing my memorizing vocab. That was the hardest thing. Every day I had to memorize new vocab and revise the old ones. So that was the hard part. Like it was very boring. I never liked it. Still to this day I do that thing and I don't like it. I wish I could just, there was a way that you could, if there was a way, I wish if there was a way to do that thing, just magically. Okay, we're gonna add some classes. What they are gonna do is show coffee types. If show coffee types is true, then it's gonna add a new class which is coffee button selected, of course. And then if not true, then it adds an empty string, so not much, stays the same. Okay, so yeah, the class works. I'm gonna console if there's something that you are not sure about, you just console log it. Sure, just to confirm things, false, true, it's already too big. Okay, let's comment it out. This too. Kafi rate. Actually, after that, we don't want the coffee, like set show coffee types to be true. So false. So yeah, we do that. Okay, sorry. We do that and you get the hell out of here. So if I click on this one, it's gonna set initially it's false. What's the positioning of it? Should set it to true. Now it's true, but if I click on this, it's like yeah, true then false. But why is like that? Yesterday really feel surprised and jealous seeing your consistency. I was watching your old life. Your everyday Japanese learning. Yeah, it's good to be jealous of some other person. I always get jealous by others. And yeah, because of that jealousy, I just try to improve myself. work on myself. Not I hate the other person. Yeah, good. You're doing the good thing, so yeah, be jealous. I'm jealous of the people that can code so well, and I suck at it. Okay, I think that's, yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's move on to the next one. Like that, and which is so stupid. Okay, we did something, not sure what, but we did it. Next thing that we are going to do now is, yeah, on change. Okay, so we want to show this when this other button is selected. Okay, I just, like, right now I can click on it and then it shows like that, but no, you have to select this and then, yeah. So we're gonna do some conditional rendering, conditional select type, selecto. Yeah, hi. When show coffee, I'm gonna type it myself. Show coffee type is true, then endo. Wow. Yo, I did something. No, I see nothing. Yeah. Did I make a typo? That was type. I do type instead of types. Yeah, so now it's that. Okay, God dang it. I'm also learning from 9 months, and I recently finished and 5 NAT exam. At first I was happy for completing and 5. Now after watching it, I feel like I took too many months for it. Well, I was in a hurry, you know. I didn't want to spend so much time just going through these JLPT 1, 2, you know, like 5, 4 exams. I just pushed myself because there's not much time left for me to you know, keep wasting my time, so that's why I feel the same. Took me over 7 months to get to N4 and I still don't feel good. Me neither. My confidence is other thing, but passing an exam is other, you know. Passing these and one JLPT exam is not a big thing. So yeah, what we did is that's the conditional rendering. So if this thing is true, if we click on this others, only in that case this thing in this select type menu, it's hidden. So if we select this option, it appears. So then we can select the coffee types, latte and all that. Yeah, Jore Uzi iced coffee. I don't know what's that. 16 Oz is that? Not sure. Probably something. Yeah, it's added out there, so it's fine. Non-side is ka. Cool. I think you already know about my age, and if you are asking the other person, then yeah. Yeah, so yeah, that was the conditional rendering. And yeah, on click event, like, do you call them on click events? Yeah, on change event. What's the on click? That's also an event, right? Where am I? God dang it, I get lost. Someone change on change event, set selected coffee type. On change event, gonna set this selected coffee type. That's the event. That's the event. How to function. What we're gonna do is set selected coffee type. Set selected coffee. Set selected coffee, and it's going to be 9. My target, and your value. Okay, what is doing is doing something. Yeah, I don't want these coffee typo. Actually, I want to see this. Hero coffee form layout hero on the same level as that. Who's calling me? Okay, I'm very slow. What the hell? Coffee, it's the coffee, it's no. Work with the no. It's almost done. Placeholder in that. I didn't understand which app did you use in the life to learn Japanese. In your older lives there was a small Japanese clip with English subtitles, small Japanese clip with English. There was something else. That was just transcription, I guess. You were talking about what I was talking and it was appearing on the screen. That thing was some, yeah, that was just, you know, not related to learning Japanese, but I use Anki, and if you know about it, then I mean, which app was that? What app? That was not an app. That was live captions in the, not sure what you're talking about, but I think that was live captions. Yeah, live captions. It's a Windows thing. It's not an app. And I use Anki to learn the words. Yeah. Okay. Table to concentrate. Add cost. Oh, where am I? Oh, why do I see my face? Yo, it's the real thing. Coffee cost. Coffee cost. Actually, it's fine. I'll do that. I was saying, I need to define some mode. Use states. Coffee cost. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. One-time const. Coffee. Yeah, patch guy, yari. Coffee cost and set coffee cost whatever. Use state 0. Shall do 0 and that's our set B const our min set min okay, let's work with these. Use full app that you use till now that have me helped in Japanese. Full app. Use full app that you use till now. What do you mean? I only used Anki. Yeah. The only app that I ever used, it was Anki. So yeah, this is the one. Okay, value, coffee cost, cool cost, and then and hours, yeah. Shoto mate. hours, sound change. That's upper. Ayo upper. Set the hours. Set the hour. Yeah, set the hour. Dot target. Dot value. Yeah, we are setting the hour to whatever the person writes or selects, you know. Can't you write? Maika. You know, console log, and then we're gonna do this our let's do the same for this one too. Okay, cause I'm sorry. Okay, that's 3. Yeah, we are as we are selecting the cost, my hours is changing. Why it's it's printing the last one. Like 8 was the one that I selected. The second last time. Yeah, last time, and then this one is 9. This time is 9. I'm not sure why is that happening. I will see you tomorrow at another live. Hope it will be Japanese. Yeah, of course it will be Japanese. Actually, I'm gonna stream. You provide a value prop to a form field without an on change handler. This will render a read only field. If the field should be mutable, use default value, otherwise set on change on read only. I think it's talking about this one. Form field. Whatever you roll that. लगाइए तो don't show me that. Coffee cost. Chotto anta. Okay. God, I'm so slow. Yeah, of course, that's what I was thinking. Yeah. Yeah. On change. Of course. You were right. Hi, Sharif. Hello. I'm from Bangladesh. Hi, I'm from India. Hi, haru. And this is this. We're gonna set coffee cost to the one that the person selects. Target to value. Thanks. Hi. Hi. We can add console.log, and then we're gonna log the coffee cost. We're gonna do the both things. Yeah, don't show me that. Okay, so what the heck is that? $300. $300. Yo, what the what? Okay. How about this, bitch? I'm not sure what it is. Yeah, of course, that's stupid. Why it's delayed by I really need to learn some JavaScript. It's fine. It's showing 0 first. 8 is selected, but it printed the 6-1 that I selected the last time. Now it's printing the 8 and it's 3. Okay. Whatever. Let's do the last one and then close it. On change hours. Where are we already in that? Well. Plus there papa. Set min admin to target to value. It works. I really need to use some snippet. Min देखना. अरे यार ये पता नहीं क्या क्या दिखाता है मुझे. Okay, fine. Handle submission form. This modal and everything, that's for later. Oh yeah. Copy form. Okay, I'm done with this page. Then what's this thing? Well, we need to do one thing first. We have it over here. It's set to false. It's the stat one that we are going to do. Now it's set to false. We're gonna set it to true. Lordy. Okay, stat and s3. So we're gonna work. Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna work with this page now. Oh, sorry. Not yet. Let's work on this thing first. Okay. Yes, again I'm gonna have to you need a class which is section header. Okay. And the one chart simple. I'm just gonna type it out. I was gonna do that. Gonna make theme in a bit. Just so you mean out. An FA chart 2 and यार कौन ही करेगा इतना ना करे. Yeah, this is the thing. The chart one. This one, this. 3 signals. 3 signals. Stupid. Laughing at your own jokes. Was that even a joke? Stats, okay? Stats. We want a stat grid, no? Stat grid and class name. Stat grid. Okay, it's going looks like that. Dame desu ka? Okay. Actually, we can do one thing. What first I'm gonna do here? All we want is N4 H4. Okay, and then we want the title. Look like anything, whatever. Okay, and if I it's going to be like that. Okay, we're gonna do one thing actually. You know what, I'm gonna give it a class first. Since we're gonna have to duplicate it, let's give it a class, bruh. State 2 classes we will give it this thing and yo like that. Like we're gonna have to duplicate it so we can create a component of this thing. we'll only be using that component inside this one, so we don't have to export it, and we can do one thing over here, which is function stats card, actually function stat card, and let's return some papa daddy. Oh, sorry, I do stupid things. Hi, and all we need to do is use this stat card instead of that. Not working. What's the problem? Oh, it said it's that, so shouldn't be that. Start card. मुझे दिखा रहे हैं साला we see that duplicated, so comes like that. So okay, sorry. Dang, Suki coffee. Props. Propulsion. Children. So the childrens are going to be inside here. Whatever I write are going to be the childrens. Actually, I'm gonna write that. And okay. Expand whatever you what you do. First do with the children. We play with the children first. Yeah, sounds yeah, no, not good. Wow. Hi, sorry. Yeah, just to do that first, just to render the children's appear, make them appear on the page. Okay, that's the children's. Okay. Large collage, large and not lag, bitch. How do you say large collage, like in collage. Collage. yeah, collage. Large. So large. Like village. Oh, bitch. Okay, a picture made by fixing pictures of. Yeah, I know that one. That too much I know. Okay, so it's not actually, you know what, we don't have this, but we're gonna add some more classes. So with the condition here, it's gonna make sense in a bit. Call span 2. Okay, yeah, and if not, then empty string. So yeah, yes. Ooh, look like that. So what we do else? Let me show. If you go home, no. I remember it was doing something. There were 2. I think I'm dying. And they are. Why didn't we have it on? Yeah, I'm gonna yeah. It does something. It'll be clear in a minute. Let me do this thing first. So it's about the title. We are going. It's the state card. Prop. So what we do with the title? We do what we do. You don't ask. Title desu ka? Title desu ka? Title desu ka? So desu ka? So desu ka? Papa? Yeah, oh. Chotto. Anda, chotto. Okay, that's the dad of this thing. So yeah, he's the child. Daddy, he goes to this daddy of his. Daddy, give me props. Then he gives him the props. But so title. What is going? What the? Yeah, ちょっとね、ちょっとだけ。 title. Let's we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out where this title is coming from. Yeah, so we'll replace this gibberish with the title. So yeah, this is the thing. Damn, I was gonna think. Okay. Okay. Which is for the movement? Its title is 0. No, nothing. Yeah, of course, because we need to title. Yeah. Active caffeine level. Yeah, so I'm so stupid. Yeah, of course. Yeah. What the hell was I thinking? We give the props here for we do that first, then we do that stuff later. So sorry. Caffeine. Actually, what is this? What this thing is active active caffeine level. Yeah, I'm looking at no. Yeah, of course, I know. No. Title is title, bitch. Oh, sorry for cursing and all. Will I have the titles? And we type out the real thing now. So you're gonna have a span inside a p tag, and then this thing, what this thing has is caffeine levels. Caffeine levels, which we got. I see that. Yeah, status level. Caffeine levels. Yeah, actually, we can do one thing. Just remembered it. Got a friend's message. I see that. Stats daily caffeine. daily caffeine levels. Oh yeah, first let me write this one thing first. Then we'll know what's going on. Yeah. Yeah, this thing is not. Oh. I know. Yeah, okay. I know what's the thing. Okay, basically, we ignore that for a while. It's gonna make sense in a bit. Not now. Daily caffeine. Actually, I want to write this thing first over here. Export stat. It's all fake stats data that we are gonna experiment with first. Yeah. And they are. I'm gonna play with this data for a while and then gonna shift to the real thing. Move to the real thing. Average coffee. अरे यार तेरे को क्या हो रहा है भाई? Sorry. Coffee, which is 2.3, and total cost is over $220. $220. $20. That's a lot of money for just for coffees. Okay, we'll just have, caffeine levels. Yeah, I wrote it on purpose like this. It's that's what happened. Yeah. And a little mg tag. And yeah, of course. We're gonna make it dynamic later. But what we do first is what we do first? We do something. Warning levels. Okay. That is also going to be warning level. Chotto matte kudasai. am a bit. What the hell am I doing? Warning levels. Yeah, it's gonna make sense. First, we are just working on the layout. Oh, yeah, but like nobody cares. Not really. No, not yet. That's it. And we'll have a p tag, which is gonna show what is it gonna do. Status description. Can't think so many things. Status levels. Yeah, of course, status levels. And warning, not color, but just pp, just pp is fine. PP is there. Good. Okay, that's how it looks, and we can add that thing too. So we'll just quickly do that. This title, it's going to be daily planet. Yeah, average. Cost of coffees. Average something. Average hashtag of coffees. A p tag with the span and papa inside the span, and a class name which is stat text. What it did? Yeah, it did something. Oh, papa, like that, papa. Okay, I've lost it. महफूज तेरे I cannot see it. Oh yeah, I can do that instead of that. तेरी माँ की मचोतो माते ने. Yeah, of course. I have that option too. Why am I struggling? God dang, I don't love this process. I don't like it. Stat, we make text. We make that state jane. Yeah, caffeine levels. Oh, where did I add that? Okay, sorry. Daily caffeine. Title. And what it does is daily caffeine. Yeah. Fee. A p tag and a span tag. What much? A span tag, and inside the span tag we have Papa. Again, Papa. You know what? I'm just gonna copy that instead of doing that. I can do that. All I want was that. So one more and one more. Why am I struggling? You know. You have title. Yeah, this thing is not good. Okay, the title is going to be daily cost. Okay, daily cost in dollars. Was I not audible all this time? Yeah, sucks. It sucks.ちょっとね。तेरा हुआ तेरा हुआ तेरा हुआ तेरा हुआ मारूंगा बहुत पकड़ पकड़ के छोटे feet I'm on my feet fitto Finrando यार मन नहीं कर रहा यार क्या करूँ मैं मन नहीं कर रहा मेरा अभी ओके सॉरी Okay, I'm looking at my YouTube thing. Why? Don't ask. If you ask, what? तो 이게 너 센tan 기도 또 다 있노 Yeah, enough. Fiend. Caffeine, Allah. Damage. I'm getting damage. just do it, man. Enough. Stats, and there was the trial thing. Trial expired though. Expired. Okay. Fiend. Oh, sorry. Fiend. Let's generate the actual const. Okay. What we do is we calculate. Now actually calculate the stats. Calculate? Whatever. Calculate. So you know, this is this function, which is this calculate coffee stats. Yeah, that's what we are doing here. We do that and we call that actually no, that's a thing for later. Right now we are happy with these. Authentication global data. Actually, let's do the caffeine levels. Fiend. Caffeine. Calculate current caffeine levels. We do that later, but what we do is we calculate another thing, which is caffeine levels. Yeah, coffee stats. Okay, and then we have actually no, that we also don't need. So actually no. We're not doing that either. What we do is we do the warning levels. Okay, the warning level if the warning level that we just defined, not effective, the warning level is caffeine level actually that's the thing. I can
review the project. We're going to
oh my god, it's very loud.
include a little git right here.
एक तो इसको बंद करना.
So that you can see we
that's lethal. Yeah, not actually. No. Sounds stupid.
So back to what we were doing. The first one is a div that in this that daily the average and then unpointed
Fake ones.
And that's not called util function that we have calculate current caffeine level, and that receives the coffee consumption history as an argument, which is all of our fake data from our coffee consumption history, ensuring that we
so sorry. Okay. Currently we are only working with our caffeine history data, caffeine history and all that things, you know, the utils, this thing, coffee options, coffee consumption history. Okay, that's fine. It's going in the right direction, but I got a little lost. That is fine. Yeah, that is caffeine. Okay, caffeine level. We calculate that, which is what we do is we call the calculate coffee current coffee caffeine levels, which imports this. Okay, do not forget that. Oh yeah. Coffee consumption, maybe. Coffee consumption history. We are working with this. It's also fake data. No way. Oh yeah, I need to be on this page. Come on. Come the heck on. What the heck? What the heck is going on? What the heck? I shouldn't. Chotto matene. Okay, मैं पता नहीं क्या ये पकड़े इंडिकेट कर रहा था लो. हरा मैं मार दूँगा किसी को. वो मार. Const. Yeah, I don't see what's the problem. Shouldn't behave like that. Coffee consumption history is not defined. Oh man, so da yone. Okay, I stop using that. Yeah, okay. Always look at the console. Okay, warning levels. Const. Warning. Caffeine. Caffeine level. Okay, what we do if the caffeine level is status level. Status level. Status level. Utils. It's in the utils. Okay. If you ask, status level. This is our status level. If it's low, what are that? Then it does that. Like yeah, the color is that. All that. Yeah. Actually, it should be like that. Fiend. Okay, sorry. Caffeine. Okay. No. Fiend, caffeine. Okay, I'm the wrong. Okay, now we do this. Okay, now it looks like that. And we are not done yet. Okay. Sorry. Fiend, caffeine. Like that. Do. Status level. Status level. My god, I got it. my god. If low, status level low, then you max level, that's a property. Okay, if max property is low, okay, whatever, you know, true, if true, bitch, yes, low, okay, man, whatever, you know, no, then what we do is yes. Another one, status level, status adaptability, ping, moderate, we check if it's moderate, no, no, yes, no, okay, you go. We say, oh, no, okay, you go. Yeah, that's cringe. Cringing on myself. Oh my god, that's just to make it readable. Hi, that's what it's doing. Yeah, it's gonna make sense. Zang. If low, then the green color. If moderate, then this color. If high, then red color. Ooh, no. Yeah, okay. Wow. Let's stop. Fiend, caffeine. Okay, I'm losing it. Why the hell am I losing it? I'm losing it. Sorry. Caffeine. Okay, sorry, caffeine. So we have calculated the caffeine levels by using this function and the consumption history, which is defined over here. Whatever, you know, we have it over here. So but my lethal amount is no good. I want the actual one. Caffeine amounts 0 cause it's been yeah, you will not understand. I get it though. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, we're gonna add some styles. Bean, beak. Okay, sorry. Color is what we do with color is if status levels is at warning levels. Status level, okay. This okay. Warning level low, moderate, high. Then we do this yeah, okay. Warning level color, we access the color property. Okay, so 0, fine, okay, like that. Okay, you good. Warning levels. Ma chotto ne. I have to fix this too, which is why I have brought it like that. Now, okay, sorry. I know what I did. Now, bitch. Watch it like that. Ma chotto ne. Yeah, I made a mistake. We want the background color to also look like that. Also change variate, which is status level, and the warning level. We check for that. We check, and we access the background property. यार आ जाना यार, क्या ये है? Yeah, what's wrong? Status levels and warning level, then the background. Why do I not see that? What caffeine? Okay, stat title daily caffeine expected. Unexpected expected. Oh, where is that thing expected? No baby, sorry, no, god dang it. I'm so stupid. भाई यार, ये क्या बना रहा है? पता नहीं क्या ऊपर बना रहा है. सॉरी. क्या कर दिया? आप भी आ जाओ. वेट है. हनी आ जा ना, आ जा. अभी भी नहीं मान रहा होता. अभी आ जा. आ जा. It looks ugly. Straight up ugly. This version I like though. The light one. Smooth like my smooth. Sorry. Smooth. Light one is not bad. Much better than the black bean. Caffeine. Cafety. Do you have coffee in your legs? Yeah. No. Oh, okay. And the PP, we don't need PPs over here. Bad thing. Status level and warning levels. Okay. We access to description. So now we have the description as well. That caffeine levels are mild, resulting in a light boost in alertness with minimal side effects. Okay, now we do the same thing with the other components that we have over here. Yeah, like it's a kind of a component in itself. Yeah, it is. Beach. Sorry. File. Stop. Calculate the stats. Yeah, we can calculate the stats as well, We have the fake data that we have over here. But now what we can do is we can calculate our data, state, whatever, whatever you like, based on the data that we have, the coffee consumption history. We copy that, okay, and then we call this function. Which function, you ask? Let me tell you. Let me this one. Okay, coffee stats. Calculate coffee stats. Coffee consumption history. Oh wow. Don't go my accent. Yeah, ma. Then this, okay. This. Ooh, let's go. And why it's black? Cause we have to import this function, whatever, from utils to this here too. That's why it looks like that. So 3,400 3,049.00 milligram. Average of coffee. Why is it empty? Hey, average of coffee. Average of coffee. Okay, sorry. Fiend, caffeine. Average cat amount. Papa. No. Okay. Calculate average daily caffeine and that though. So why not? You also okay. Yeah. We did that, so fine. That's totally fine. You know what? Where is it? We're gonna do a console log. Logo. Okay, sorry. Stats. Fiend. Caffeine. Okay, then we get this daily caffeine. 2022. That means you are dying. You are spending $106 every day on coffees. Not worth living. Caffeine, daily caffeine, average actually. Average one is average. Why am I average? Dione. Actually, you know why? You know why it's happening? Because we don't have this. Yeah, you see that? Average per day we are having 21.50 coffees, 21.5, 21 full coffees and then 1 half coffee. Done. Feels like it done. It's done. No, still we have a chotto dake. We have a table that we have to do, a little table of what we are doing. Okay, a little table over there. You see that? You see that? You don't see that. Table must start. Table might look like that. Still don't see that? How about now? Page. Sorry. Oh. T-head. Kito, okay. Kito, T-head, and then we have table raw. Then we have table TH. Table head, heading, head. Not table head. Heading. Heading gana. Coffee name. And then we'll have 3 more like that. And what we do is number of number of purchases. Purchase is fine. Now remove that. Percentage of total. Okay, we have 3 headings over here. Purchase. What? Purchase. Bengali बना दिया. Purchase करेगा. T body. We have the T body now. No. Sorry. Table and T head. That was the T head section. Now we have the T body. Body. Get my body. Get. Oh. You know what I'm doing? You don't, cause you are. I don't want to offend you. My delusional friend. Top 3 coffees. It's in the utils. Okay, if you see that. Where you ask? Come on, I will show you. Time since consumption, and then get top 3 coffees. We do that, and coffee count. First we set it to empty object. Then count occurrences of each coffee type. Okay, and then like that we do that. Good. Not satisfied, we do that. Convert coffee count object to an array of coffee count and sort by count. Calculate total number of coffees. Total coffees consumed. Like we all that we can do. Not satisfied, go to hell. That's how we get our 3 coffees. Top ones, total coffees, and then check, and Yeah, written 3 coffees. That's it. You look at that. Function get 3 coffees. And yes, no need to see this. Stupid because it's stupid, I know. Global data, no. Not yet. We're not dealing with that. What we have is over here is the coffee consumption history that we're gonna sorry, I just want to copy that. Okay, and my get 3, it's over here. Fine, we have it. Me run a map function, which what it's gonna do is coffee and coffee index, and then we play with it. Okay, we always play with. If it's map, we are playing. Oh, you ask what? Table raws, like table raw and heading. Now what we do is we dance. I'm kidding. No dancing yet. Table data, like we generate a key, a unique key for every table row that we generate. What do you type? Coffee index. Okay, you ask why? I'm not telling you that. Go. Mamma mia. You know what? I do that. You ask why? Not telling you. It's a secret. Coffee. Coffee name. That's coffee. Okay. Coffee consumption history. Get top 3 coffees we got, and that's the consumption history. From there we got the 3 coffees, top 3. We are running a map, and then on each coffee, that's the coffee index. On each coffee we are generating a table raw. Table interacts with the unique key and coffee. Okay, coffee, and then coffee name. So let's just see if it's, so you say if it's, espresso, then we have this. Sorry. Count percentage. Flat white drip coffee. Oh, what are these? Americano drip bang energy. 1727610658003. Name black coffee. Bang energy. Well, I'm not gonna read that. Bang energy. Cost this much. Bang energy, you ask? We go here. Okay, sorry. Bang energy. Black. No. Okay, sorry. Why are you saying sorry every time? Black coffee. Bag energy. Ooze. Test the caffeine levels. Baba. Sorry. Boo boo. What's up, Preem Kumar? मैं audible भी हूँ या नहीं? Hi, Mr. Preem. Stop. तेरे लिए. It's the coffee name, okay? Okay, sorry. Where is that cat? 3 top coffees. Get top 3 coffees. We get that. Sorry. Okay. So coffee name from here. Coffee name, count and percentage. Like that. Yeah. So we do that. Chick. Like, we get that. And then we play with it. Like count. You see that? You see that count? Yeah, don't ask how. This one, not this one. This one. This, we type this, we get this. We type this, we get this. Yeah, that's what's happening over here. Stop. Flat white. From flat white to height. Hey. Okay, no errors. We don't like errors. Error. Okay, sorry. I need to stop. Yeah, I'm gonna do the last one. And that'll be it for today. It's gonna take half an hour. That's the history section. That's what we'll do today. Components, we go. You know when you know. So let's face it. You had me at hello. What am I doing? Okay, div. That's a div with a class. Class name, you ask? What? This. Section header. Okay, and actually timeline. Okay. I think we're related to history. I like this one. Stop playing with me. I know that much. Stop giving me errors. सटक जाएगा मेरा माथा. आदमी बेकार हूँ मैं. Okay, we have history. We have that. Okay, you don't see that? Yeah, that thing I'm talking about. I talk a lot, but not a good thing. My ass. Another I1 we have. किसका क्या बना दिया रे? Okay, and then we have how for more information. Yeah, I want to see that. Oh wow, looks cool. As always. Oh, Chotone, you're not supposed to be there. Go there. I'll beat your ass if you do that again. Sorry. We had a class name which is coffee history. See nothing yet because we're gonna add it cool like that. You see that? Yeah, good that you can see. So good. It is good. Oh mama. Actually, I'll need a little ChatGPT's help because my knowledge runs out here. Hi ChatGPT, please tell me what this thing is. Two question marks. ChatGPT gives you everything. I will break this down line by line, starting from the word. Very cool because this is very common and important. React, JavaScript pattern. Yeah, that means you need to learn JavaScript. Object. Well, what this actually is doing. Assume global data looks like this. Yeah, already assumed. Okay, global data is an object. Key UTC stamps. Value coffee objects. Okay, sorry. Keys UTC timestamps. UTC timestamps. Don't shout. Stop shouting. And then values we have. Value. Value is a coffee object. Object though is global data in object. See that. Keys is that. And then values is coffee objects. Value dot of the keys global data. This returns an array of the object's keys. This returns an array of object keys. So like that. This returns an array of object keys. Let me copy that. I'm tired of the objects. Always there's something that I don't know about. Well, that's why I'm telling you to study more. Study hard page. Isn't built-in JavaScript method used to gather property names? Shit. Global data. Property names. चुप नहीं हटाने क्या है मेरा दिमाग खराब कर रहा था भाई मुझे है ना अभी तक मेरा थोड़ा दूसरा वाला मूड ऑन हो चुका है not that one call out okay, sorry that was the question one like prompt mine Wow, Maka Naki Teri Saka. I don't even know how to write divide. Come on. Why are you even studying? Oh, okay. Ah, my God. Okay, I'm just gonna. This returns an array. This returns an array of object keys. The array of object keys. Object keys are always string. Object keys are always strings, even if they look like numbers. So sort why this works, have an array of timestamp strings. Start in something like that. JavaScript converts A and B to sort them descending latest first. Latest first. The most recent coffee consumption first. UTC tab. Wow, now React loops over every. Tonight the music. Coordinated universal theme. What if I change it to this? What you gonna do now, huh? and now यार सटकिल है क्या है लाइक क्या है got it. It's a pain in the ass. Fiend, caffeine. What I need is some caffeine, caffeine, I need a boo-boo. The boo-boo. The boo-boo. La boo-boo. La baba. La baba player. Player. Well. Tonight the music. Okay, ちょっとね。Sorts them descending first. Tonight the music descending order. Most recent coffee consumption first. Beautiful thing. Bro, what the heck? You are still online. Yeah. Yes. Hi Akshay, I was waiting for you, man. I'm almost over. Almost done. Coffee. Fiend. No, sorry. Caffeine. UTC. How can I tell the same words in Japanese? What words? Yeah, I just came home like an hour ago. Where were you? What were you doing? Yo. Consume. ये औचौदी पेल रहे हैं इधर पता नहीं इनको क्या चाहिए था लोग मगर हाँ मैं एक्चुअली मुझे ये नहीं करना है धुरंधर देखने अबे साढ़े तेरा भाई तेरा धुरंधर रुक रहा ही नहीं है यार. कितनी देखेगा धुरंधर, कितनी देखेगा तू? हाँ, कितनी धुरंधर देखेगा? सटक जाएगा माथा. अब खत्म, देख ली. यार एक तो पता नहीं है इसको क्या हो रहा है. मैं इसको मार दूंगा. Yeah, of course. Yeah. You, Choto. No. Okay. Yeah. And then यार इसको कौन ही आई वाला करेगा? मैं कॉपी मार लूँगा ना इधर से. इसी कोई काम नहीं हुआ आज मूवी के कारण. बस निहोंगो बेंक्यो ही हुई. कर तो ली ना, निहोंगो बेंक्यो तो कर ली ना. और मैं तो क्या कहता हूँ बताऊँ, सुबह उठता हूँ, कुछ चला के बैठ जाता हूँ. मैं तो आराम से मज़े ही मज़े. हो जाता है मेरा सुबह सुबह का निहोंगो प्रैक्टिस. रज़ाई के अंदर पढ़े ही देख लेता हूँ. मतलब यूट्यूब पता रह क्या आ रहा है. Damn you enjoying life, man. I'm not enjoying my life. God damn you. I still have it's gonna take 4 more hours after this. It's gonna take 4 more hours to finish my cards. I'm max 4 hours. I have to do my dinner too. अभी मेरा मन नहीं लग रहा है यार. I think it's enough. I'll do it tomorrow. I've used up all of my brain. Okay, sorry. I'm a bit cringe, but fine. Maika. You know what? I delete that. Bitch, what's wrong with you now? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा भाई क्या हो रहा है. I need to मैं पता क्या ही कर रहा हूँ मैं. I have that, so I need to, you know what, now आलू कोफ्ते बना दूंगा. एटलीस्ट यार चाहिए नहीं तो फिर क्यों रखना है. आप तो चल जाओ हैं, जो पता नहीं क्या ही है. आज पूरे दिन में ये कर रहा हूँ. You want to do VC for an hour or so because after that I have to sleep. Yeah, let's do VC. ये कचरा बना रहा था बस आज. सुबह भाई लाइट चली गई 5 घंटे की, तो काम हो गया मेरा. तो काम मतलब क्या काम हुआ, ये बर्बाद हो गया टाइम. चल आजा डिस्कॉर्ड आजा. Tonight the music, gonna call your daddy. I'm ending the stream. Say something. Alright, yeah. Bye. Bye guys. Thanks for coming to the stream. Bye.